Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export source code files from Replit AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to replit.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, we want to navigate to the left hand side of the panel here, and then from here go ahead and choose apps. Now go ahead and find the app that you'd like to export the source code from. So for this demonstration, I've got this baby tracker app. I want to export that source code. Now once you're inside of here, from here you're going to see files. To the right of that, click on the three dots, and now go ahead and click on download as a zip. And now what this is going to do, this is going to download your source code files as a zip. So here it is here, baby tracker zip. So if I go ahead and open up this and then click onto baby tracker, you can see all the source codes and files are inside of the baby tracker folder.